Which of the following describes the y coordinate in an ordered pair? Check all that apply. So first we got to figure out what in the world is this talking about. So we want to know the y coordinate in an ordered pair. So ordered pairs are those things like 3, 6, where we've got the parentheses, a number, comma, a number, parenthesis. And the two numbers have to do with which axis it is on. It's always alphabetical order. First number is the x coordinate, and the second is the y coordinate. So we're talking about this right here, that's 6 in the 3, 6. Okay, so let's see which answer choices describe that number. So answer choice A, the first number in the ordered pair. No, that is not the first number in the ordered pair. B, the vertical line. I'm going to stop right there. This is not a line, so B's out. C, the second number in an ordered pair. Yes, there's one of the correct ones. D, the intersection of two lines on a coordinate grid. Now, that would be like the whole ordered pair, because that's telling us to go where 3 and 6 intersect. That's not talking about just the 6. E, the number in the ordered pair, sounds good so far, that determines the horizontal movement from the origin on the coordinate grid. Horizontal, remember, think about that horizon line where the land meets the sky, right? That is the horizon. Horizon goes left and right. So if you think about how you would plot this point, you would run to 3 and then jump to 6. And so the 6, that second number, is not the horizontal movement. And so E is out. F, the number in an ordered pair, that determines the vertical movement from the origin on a coordinate grid. So vertical is up and down. Think of that V as an arrow, the beginnings of an arrow that goes up and down. And so 6, yes, is the vertical movement because we would go up to 6. And so F is the other one. Correct answers, C and F.